Just a 3-step process to fix this specified module could not be found in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type command prompt. Click here to open it. Then type this command carefully -h-r-s g:**/s/d and hit enter. It will take some time, so you have to do yourself. Then close this window. Again go to search bar and type command prompt. Click here to open it. Now type sfc/scan now. It will also take some time to complete its process. After that, close this window. Then go to search bar and type virus and threat protection. Click here to open it. Then click on advanced scan. Select this option and click on scan now. This will also take some time to complete its process. After that, close this window and go to search bar. Then type file explorer options. Click here to open it. On this window, select view tab. Then check this option. Scroll down and uncheck this option. Click on S. Then click on apply and then OK. Go to search bar and type task manager. Click here to open it. Then right click on application frame host and select end task. Okay, now close this window. Go to search bar and type run. Click here to open it. Then type regedit and click on OK. It will open registry editor. Now expand HKey local machine. Then expand software folder. From here, expand Microsoft folder. Scroll down. And expand Windows folder. Okay. Then expand current version. Scroll down. Right click on it and then click on delete. Select as. Okay. Now expand HKey current user. Then expand software folder. Then expand Microsoft folder. Then expand Windows folder. Expand current version. And from here, right click on run and select delete. Select S. Now expand HKey local machine. Then expand software folder. Then go for Microsoft folder. Scroll down and expand Windows folder. Then expand current version. And right click on run once and select delete. Click on S. Again expand HKey current user. Expand software folder. Expand Microsoft folder. Then expand Windows folder. Then expand current version. Right click on run once and click on delete. Select as. That's it guys. Close all windows and just restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.